YouTube? It's me, Chandler.
All right, and here we are again, back at our picture of Vaporeon here, ready to start coloring. All right, so for the colors I will be using in today's episode: pale blue, ultramarine, white and black, obviously, hyacinth violet, Naples yellow, and we're going to round it off with a light gray. Let's dive in. Now, if you can see over here, I have quite a few more small blenders for this one, because there's a lot of teeny tiny areas that I don't want to mess up with my giant fingers here. But we're going to start off again like we did last time. We're going to go with the legs, arms, tail, and end with the head. So let's get into these legs here. And for anyone wondering, I'm not really going to be doing any of the white highlights that are shown in our source, simply because our picture of Eevee didn't have white highlights in it either. So you just want some uniformity with that. But we will, of course, be doing shadow. Coming in here with our shadow now. And always remember, anytime you're ever using black, to always a little black in anything will go a long way to adding shadows or darkening up whatever color you need to. So always light. You can always add more black if you feel it later, but really you can't take it out, after you've added it. Fingertips ready. Let's get in there. There we go. There's Vaporeon's body, all colored and shadowed up. And we're going to get onto that tail here. Again, using our number 14 pale blue. Just really getting in there with that color. Alright, now since our tail is in a different position from the picture, we can't really go off of that for where the shadows are supposed to be. But, I think but since the light is coming from this direction down, this side of the tail, it's definitely going to have some shadow here. All right, now we're going to move on to the head. Exciting. Okay, we're going to go in with, for the mane here, I know it kind of looks white, but just to like distinguish itself more from the paper and actually give it more of a color, we're going to use light gray for that instead. So let's get into that. Alright, we're going to go into this head piece here, and we're going to really try to overpower all that black. Alright, yeah, and coming in with yellow with these ears, be very careful about smudging it, because yellow is a very, very, very weak color. It mixes with black very, very easily. If you've ever used a yellow marker, you know, there's a reason why all the yellow markers in elementary school had a black tip on them. It's because you draw in color with it. And if you draw over like black, like a line that's black, it's gonna come back off onto that color. I think. I assume that's why. As we finish this up, there's not too much left to do yet. We're going to get our most important features, eyes, nose, mouth, and then tie it all together and with outlines, and then we're going to color our background, and that's going to be our picture. I'm really excited. Let's finish it. So I'm just realizing that I forgot to grab colors for our mouth. So we got some pink, and we got some freaking purple. Okay, there we go. Now our creepy-eyed Vaporeon does not look so creepy-eyed. Alright, now to take this jumbled mess that kind of looks like a kind of good Vaporeon and make it look great. Outlines. Let's get into it. And there is Vaporeon. This whole area is a bit jank, but other than that, it's looking really good. Let's finish this off with the background and then meet you up in the room. Alright guys, and there you have it, Vaporeon.
And here is our finished product. Another good one. Proud of myself. Let's hang it up on the wall. Alright. Eevee is no longer alone. So, if you liked this video, hit the like button. If you think other people would like this video, hit the share button. And if you want to see the next Pokemon I do, you gotta hit the subscribe button. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. See ya.